Hey guys! Now, I haven't really been doing many videos over the last 2 weeks. For the first week, it was really rainy and we couldn't go out onto Dartmoor at all, so I decided just to basically stay in, try and get the views up and do a bit of advertising whilst playing LOL. I then did a lot of work on After Effects, built my logo up, so have a look at that guys. And I've been looking at some of the advanced After Effects tutorials which are going alright. Hopefully I'm going to have something really nice put together soon. So for the final few days I was actually really ill, so didn't really get anything done at all. But over all that time we were waiting for a parcel to arrive, which is this. Now this is a mini metal furnace. I've built my own. I've dabbled with this quite a bit in the past, but I thought I'd go out, get a proper one that's going to last for a while, uses propane, and basically see how it works. So this is going to be able to do gold, silver, copper, goes up to 1200 degrees. Let's have a look inside this package. Yeah, it's pretty well packaged. The finish on it is looking pretty nice. this is the fire brick to go at the very bottom. The only bad thing I can see is it's a bit top heavy when you open the lid, so you're going to have a supporting bar there or something. But other than that, really nice small compact furnace for doing some arts and crafts in.